Where is it? Yeah. I will start the project as like first new vision project. I will name it as uh, we will create a new folder. What we want is LED blinking, LED blink. Okay, and there is a folder, and we can create another folder. Uh, we can say practical one, yeah, or you can say project one. Okay. Now we have to name that project. What is the name of the project? Is LED blink. Okay. Now, now what we need is we have to select the microcontroller. What microcontroller we are using? Like in that case, what is the microcontroller name we have? It is an Atmel product, right? And what is the name of the microcontroller? AT89C51, right? AT89C51. Okay. Now you want to copy, just no. Okay. We have created the target. Okay. Now we want to create a file. Just say control and what is the header file we use? What is the header file? The header file is this hash include regex51.h. Okay, this is the header file. So we will use hash include. You guys can see that, right? Okay, you guys can see that. The second line, what we all the three lines we are using. Let's take one line like where is it? Yeah. Okay, has defined LED is here. Has defined LED. Let's take only one pin. What we take is pin 0.0. Okay. Now we will take void main. This is the structure of our C program. Okay, this is the structure of our C program, right? And but the difference is we are using different header file, different library, and different method to define a variable. Okay, so what is the next option? Okay, here you understand how we can define a variable like LED or switch. We can use either hash define or either s bit. Okay, is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, now what we want to do is we have to, like, in the program we can say that we want to use P2 as all the LEDs are off. P2 we can use all the LEDs are off. Let's say copy, or we can write P2, or what we are using is P1, or sorry, P0 equals to 0x00. What is the meaning of this line? P0 equals to 0x00. Let me explain. Okay. P is 0x00 equals to 0b 0000 and 0000. Like there are 8 bits. There are what? 8 bits. Let me take it out. Yeah. This is hex file and this is binary file. 00 in hex and 0000 as an binary. If we want to write all the pins as high, then we write 0xFF and 0B 1111 and 1111. Okay, is it clear, guys? How we can convert our hex file to a binary file? Is it
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
Okay. So here in our program we can use as in binary, or we can use as in hex value. Okay. Initially we want our program to like uh, P1 equals to 0x, and this is start with 0 1. How we can count our pin 0? How we can count our, like is it for p 0.0 or this one is for p 0.0? Can anyone tell me that? Anyone? Okay, it will start with here. Okay, like if we write it 0x01, what is the meaning of this? 0b 00000001. You guys have some clear ideas about hex and binary.
Yes.
Okay, I will ask a question here. If I want to write 0x 20, or you can say 0x, okay, 0x10, what is the output of this? What is the binary value of this? Can anyone tell me that?
0B 001 0000.
1 and 0000. Good. Okay, one more question I want to ask, like just convert this 0x 52 or 52. Is it possible? 0x52.
0B 0101 0010.
Good. Uh, I think everyone have understand what is the hex value and what is the binary value, right? Clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will go with the code. Okay, what we want to do is we can write it as 0x01, or we can write it 01 equals to 0b 0000001. I think it's clear. This is our code. First, we have just like we did what? We just turn off all the LEDs, as we mentioned all the pins are as logic 0, and after that we have just turn on one pin, turn on one pin as logic 1, as you can see that. Okay, so if we want to check it, just save it, control S. What is the name of this file? Which file we want to save it? We have to save this file as dot C file, led Okay, is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, now we have saved it. We have saved the file, but what we want, we have to add. We have to add this. Okay, and what we want is add. And now, one moment, we have to add file as okay, close. Okay, as you can see, we have added this file in source group in target one. You guys have clear idea what we did? No, anyone? What we did is we just created a new text file, control N, and that new file we have saved as ledblink.c, led underscore blink.c. Okay, but it is just created. It doesn't. It wasn't added in this folder. Okay, so what we did is we click on that button like file extension books and environment, and we go with the add files and select that file and click OK. Like here, if I select LED blink here selected, and if we want our different files, then we can add different files also. Okay, ledblink.c, and I just added, is already added, so it will show that, and it's okay. Is it clear, guys? I just added
Yes.
this. Okay. Now what we do, we have to check whether our code is working fine or not. Okay. So what we do, we just I told you earlier there are three more buttons important here. One is for translate, one is for build, and one is for rebuild. Right? If we want that our code is written fine, then we click on translate. Okay, when we click on translate, compiling ledblink.c, ledblink.c, and that checked output is zero error and zero warning. Is it clear? Zero error and zero warning. Okay, our code is completed. Okay, now if we want to create a hex file, like if we go to the folder here, where is the folder? Let me go to the folder. This is the folder LED blink, and this is the files, right? We have write this file ledblink.c, right? And now just look at this folder. If we build this process, if we start build this process, it will create some object files as well as some hex file also. Okay, we have just built this file, and now we go to the folder. Now you can see that there are two more files. Okay, and the object files are filled with dot hex file also. Where is it? Okay, it doesn't create any hex file. Why? Can anyone say that? It isn't created any hex file. So what we do, we have to check create hex file mark. How? We have to select this button, options for target, and click on it, and as an output we have to select here create hex file. Okay, we have to select create hex file. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. As for the target, what is the frequency we work on? Crystal oscillator frequency. Is it 24 volt?
No.
What is it?
12.
12 volt. To be very specific, it's 11.0592. Okay. To be very specific, it's 11.0592. Okay. And our output is here. Target is we have selected, and output we have check mark the create hex file. And now, where is it? Okay, just select OK. Now we select the build option, and it will create hex files, and you can see it on the folder. Where is it? Here. Sorry. And yeah, here you can see that LED blink dot underscore hex. You can see that LED underscore blink dot hex file.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now what we do? We move to Proteus part. Okay. Here we move to Proteus part. Here just we need to select what? We need to select, and where is it? Where is key LED blink project one, and this is objects, and what is it? The hex file. Okay, and is it clear? We have selected hex file of LED blink, what we have created from the code. Okay, now if we want to run it, it's not giving me an output. Why is it? 0.0. Okay, let's change the code 0xff. Okay, it's not going to run. Skip. I'm going to open another folder. Mm, I want to check whether, okay, 11.0592, it is target and output is hex file and include file is selected. I think everything is standard. Okay, maybe. Okay, here I have to change. Use target driver for class programming. Use external tool for class programming. Okay, I have to change it in this particular program. Okay, output is here. Users like use it. Okay, sorted selected. Okay, let's run it again. We'll see that. Doesn't sound anything. What is that? Okay, let me change it here. Okay, this mistake is here, I guess. Okay, let me change it here. I will comment. Okay, it's not seeing anything. I think connection correct or not? Okay, let's try that. I think it's working, but what is it? Okay. You guys can see the program, right? Guys?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I have, no one has told me. It should be P0. I thought, what is the mistake? It's P0, right? We are using P0. Port 0 we are using, right? We are not using P1. That's a blunder mistake. We did that. Okay, it's not on. Let's see if I. What is the name of this program? LED Blink. Okay. And what we have entered here, switch LED. And where's the folder? Now we need to add the debugger also. Okay. Put it as WLED and name of that particular SWLED. Okay, it's 12 megahertz, and what I have written there. Okay, it should be 12. It should not affect that. Okay, I will just run this program here. Okay, SWLED. The program is not changing actually. Okay, because we have already commented that. Okay. Okay, guys, you guys are there? Guys,
Yes.
okay, okay. I will just write down this code if you want to, because I think something is missing. My code is not uploading. I have to update the software. Because the process of this code is just I just want to like open a project. I want to close the project, right? Just close project and let's open project as a desktop 051. Okay, just run it and design it. Okay. The timing is what is the time? It's 1341 in my system, and now we will update here. The hex file is yeah, that's 1341. Now it's changing. That's working, but why not in the other port? Now we want the code. We want our code like hash define hash define red LED red LED equals to red is P0, and what we want on P0 equals to 0 x 00, and now comment it. Now what we want is P0 P0 equals to 0x ff. Okay, also okay. Let's see whether it is working or not. Translate, it's no error. Build, it's no error. Now stop it and let's check whether it is updated or not. Yeah, 13:43 is my time. Okay, let's run it. It gets on and on. P2 is on. Why? I have selected P3, right? Okay, let's take P2 only because I think something is missing here. So P2, comment it. Yeah, it's on. Now, what we do is turn off this 00. Whether it is working or not. Yeah, it's working. Okay, let's understand this code. I think port 1, port 0 have some issue. This is the code we want to run, right? Let's say P2 is 0x01 or red. Now, let's see. Okay, it's working, but it's not working. We will see that tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Its P2 is here for red. Can we change this? Can we change? What is it? Yeah. What is the code name here? Software LED, right? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Okay. What we are trying to do, yellow is connected with P0.0, P2.0, and green is connected with P0. To P2.1, and P2.2 is connected with red. Okay, so we can define it. We can also define it. Okay, where is it? Yes. First, we want what we have to write to turn on red LED. Like we just wrote 0x01 to turn on yellow LED. Okay. So what we have to write, like what we have to write here, EX0P 0000100. Possible? What is the value in hex value is? What is the value in hex? Can anyone tell me that? 0x
0x 04.
04, and it will on the red LED, right? Okay, let's check it. We have just uploaded it, rebuild it, and test it here. Yeah, the red LED is on. Now we want our green LEDs to be on. What we have to do? What we have to do? What we have to do to this will I will write it. Turn on red LED. Okay, and if we want to turn on green LED, what we have to do? What we have to write? Can anyone tell me that? What we have to write here? 0x0, like that. What we have to write here?
03.
0, 2, not 3. Yeah, that's 0, 2. So it will turn on what? Green LED. Okay. Where is it? Here. Yeah, I have to like delete this one. Why it is selected? Okay. Okay, the green LED is on, but red is off. We are doing it individually. We are not doing it automatically. We are just changing the values to turn on red, green, and yellow LED. Right. Now we want to turn on yellow LED. What we have to write? P2 equals to 0x01.
0.
0x01. Turn on which one? Yellow LED. Okay, now just build it and check it. Just stop and start. It will turn on yellow LED. Now, our basic question was, what was our basic question? We want it to automatic. We want this to be automatic. This is our question. This was our question. We want our red LED to on for 60 seconds, and at that time our green and yellow LEDs should be off. Okay, and so what we can do here, when this LED is on, we can add a value, like we have to add delay of 60. Okay, delay of 60. Okay, means it will not work. Don't worry, it will not work because it doesn't have any delay function. We have to write a function for that. Okay, it will add a delay of 60 seconds. Okay. One more thing, and here we can write also delay of 60, and here we will have to add 5-second delay for yellow. Okay. Now, will it work? Anyone? Will it work? If we translate it, it will give me an error. What is the error? There is no delay function. Okay. So what we can do, we can create a delay function. Okay. How we can create a delay function? Void delay. It's very easy. It's very easy. Don't worry. It's very easy. We can use for loop concept for. I'm not saying it will be an exact 60 second, but it will be somewhat like that. Okay. 60 second is very much time, because we have to wait for like 1 minute. Okay, so I'm taking just int I equals to 0, I less than suppose 1000, and I plus plus. Okay, let's copy it and change this variable to j. And let's this one take as 100. Okay, this will create a delay function. We are using nested for loop for creating a delay function. Okay, now we will check this. Okay, it's giving me an error. Okay, and I and j is undefined. Okay, and I, j. Okay, something is missing here. Something is missing. Okay, something is missing. What is it? Okay, we have to like enter this type. Okay, j equals to j less than m plus plus. Okay, okay. What we have missed here, and okay, let's check it. Okay, it's very less, so we have to increase the delay. Like, let's take it like 60 here and 60 here. It will not be an exact 60 seconds, so I'm just saying that. Okay, red, green, yellow, but we need some more values, exact values. What is it? Where's the code? Okay, let's take it 100, 2000, 3000, take 1000. It's not 60 second, but something like that. You guys can see that, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I think you guys can understand what is it. Okay. I will share the document. Okay. Just a moment. Let's take it like 3000 and that's like that. Let's take it and run it. Okay, red and green, red, green. Okay, we can relate it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you guys can understand how this is working. If you want, then you can just write down this whole code. It's a simple LED like traffic light control structure, traffic light signal. So we can change it like we can add one more for loop for that. You will be an exact uh, Okay. Let's take it K. Is it K? K equals to 0. K is less than 100. Not 100. Let's take it 10. K plus plus. Okay. Let's take whether it is working fine or not. Okay, right on. Now you guys can count the time.
Yes. But you have a message. You can read it.
Okay. Where's the message? Message.
Salahuddin Nawawi.
Okay. 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 Yes. 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 So you understand? You guys understand the concept of LED blinking? Okay. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So just this is a code for like what we discussed. The concept here. The red, green, and yellow, right? And the concept of this, the concept we have developed with this code. If you guys want to take this as an example, you can take that. Or and the Proteus design is working here. Okay. So I think we should stop for today, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we can continue on the next session. The next topics will be our LED blinking, advanced some of the more programs in LED blinking, switches, how we can program our switches, and some DC motor program and some sensor programming, all the how we can program some timers. Okay, these are the topics we will discuss in our next sessions. Okay. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for your time. And just if you want, you can practice it on your desktop. You just have to download Keel and Proteus. Okay, I will share the details. Okay. Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
And
Ashish.
thank you.
Can I take it?
Yes, yes, sure.
Okay. Good afternoon, team.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Okay, Kwan, that tone of yours tells me that you need a 5 minute recess. Please go take a break, 5 minutes, and come back.
Yes.
Thank you. Uh, 3:40.
Okay.